We are going to be unboxing a phone tripod. I wanted to use this, but I can't unbox it if I'm using it. Test this out, see how it is. I don't know. This was normally $15 and it was on clearance for $8. We'll see how this works. I don't know. It is, what is it? I think it's a Brilliant Ideas is what it is. This is what it looks like. It's a multi-purpose phone tripod with wireless remote shuttle. Up there is supposed to be a 360 phone holder. You can do vertical or horizontal, which horizontal is the way to go. If you make videos or take pictures with your phone, do it in a horizontal way here. Do not do vertical pictures or video. They are horrible. You get those black bars on the sides. It just makes the video or picture just horrible. And I know this whole trend of vertical videos, all these apps that encourage those, yeah, not real good. Horizontal video is the best, full screen. Besides that, this is supposed to be able to go up to 25 inches. It can function as a selfie stick. And then it also has a Bluetooth remote shuttle. So you can actually take group pictures with the button and actually be in the picture when you're taking the picture. So that is pretty cool. Yeah, so we're going to get into this. And we have the tripod, and we got the, I don't know what is this? Oh, this just shows you some instructions about it, what the battery is for the remote. Okay, and that is it. So it's an interesting thing. You have, this is the size of the box, and this is all that came in it. Whose marketing idea was this? A big box for something small like this. This is a waste. Could have been a smaller box, but oh well. But we get this here. This is what this looks like. It doesn't really feel too heavy. It's pretty light. You have this here that comes up. This is the little knob on this side right here. Loosen it. So go up there, tighten it. The little phone pad here, like that. Now, there is little tabs here, if you can see that there. They have an area where you have to kind of, yeah, like that. And this one actually pulls out so you can fit your phone. But there you go. And it is a tight feel, which is good because you want the phone a secure grip on it. But if you have a large phone like this, like the one that's here, it does take a little bit of pull on it to widen it out to fit the phone. Smaller phones would be ideal for it. Not really for larger phones. Here's the selfie stick. Don't go up. That's as far as that there. Not too bad. It actually is pretty good. I can hold it out. This here, the handle is okay. And then they open up so you can actually set it down on the table. There's a tripod. These kind of feel a little cheap. They are not real good. So you definitely want to take real good care of this and watch how you set. You don't want to push on these legs here, because they definitely do feel like they would break real easy. You have the little button on right here. You can't really see that too well. Right there. And it actually pushes up there. And there is the little remote. So you can have the tripod set up and go stand back and click pictures. And I think you could probably, with it like that, in the selfie mode, you can hold it and click the button. Unboxing of the phone tripod. We'll see how this works, since this is about the only good quality camera I have for now. This would come in handy. Hopefully I'll be able to make a good amount of videos with this. But yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another unboxing, and I'll be able to use this instead of having it sit like it is now. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have an awesome day. We'll see you next time. Bye. Hello. Just something added to the phone tripod, which I am using. I got it set up right now. It seems to be working okay. If you have a larger phone, it is a little difficult to put the phone in the holder. And if you have side buttons on the phone, you do have to kind of be a little careful you're not pushing the buttons. It was a little tricky. So far it seems to be working okay. With larger phones being a little more heavier, if you have using it as a selfie stick and you have the selfie stick all the way out, you do feel the weight of the phone kind of bending down. Hopefully this will last for quite a bit of time. We are definitely going to take a real good care of it and make it last as long as it will. That's just a little add-on to the phone tripod. Okay, and I did use the remote button for the pictures, and it does take pretty good there, like this. There you go. I just took a picture, and you can. Yeah, it does work pretty good with the pictures. I like the remote and stuff, so that's. Oh yeah. One thing that does not control the buttons for video. If you're doing video, it does not do the record button. It's just for pictures. So that kind of stinks, but being the kind of tripod it is, it's understandable. See you in the next video.